Hi, it's Carla with Christie's First Team. We're about to go inside a home and we're in Newport Coast today. This is such a spectacular community. It's very private, gated, there's pools, tennis courts. Wait till you see the inside. Come on. It's so much fun to show a client what their buying power can give them. You should know you can buy a home in this area, or a townhome over here, or a condo by the water. Your buying power can translate into very many options, and those have to fit your lifestyle, your budget, and those are your decision. But as your real estate agent, my job is to share those with you, not to select one certain property. And even if you like a specific area, I am more than willing to door knock and find out who is looking to sell. There is no lengths to which I will not go for you. I will climb the ends of the earth. I've done so much for my clients. I've made everybody so happy. They've always said wonderful things. And of course, you know, I am happy about that and I want to share it with you, but I'd love for you to experience the concierge service that I provide also. Carla with First Team Real Estate, Christie's. Happy day, neighbor.